Hi, I'm Chris. I sail boat number 1549. It's an EC12. It's also known as a shark boat. I just hope not to come in last today. Sailing against these skippers, I mean, there's a bunch of national champions, so I've sailed with them before.
My name is Harry. Been sailing since I was 8 years old. I now sail an EC12, and depends on how the weather goes today as to where I fit.
My name is Scott. I've been sailing the EC12 since 1976. I'm one of the class builders. I make all kinds of boats, and just love the EC12s all my whole life. Hey, this is one of our favorite ponds. It's a beautiful venue to sail. We're very grateful we have these people let us use this farm pond. So hope we're having a good day today.
Hey, good morning. I'm Dave Branning, and I'm the race director here today, and I'm one of the guys not sailing. So that part of the fun is enjoying a great day at the lake with your friends, but I get to bark out the command. So we're looking forward to a good day, and I'm looking at the lake behind this camera, and there is no wind. So we'll be waiting a while.
Good morning, I'm Roger Baldwin. I'm from Park City, Utah. I'm in here for the races. I've been sailing with this group for probably 10 to 15 years and have a lot of fun, met a lot of good people. Like sailing, like the EC12. They're a great boat, and I just enjoy myself.
Hi, I'm Don Barker. I'm in Chestertown. I moved to the eastern shore of Maryland about 10 years ago. Actually, it was longer than that. It's been 11 years now. I've been sailing about the same length of time. I sail just about anything that floats. I've sailed all over the East Coast. I'm here today at Warrington Farm Pond, which is the closest place to me, which is only about 30 minutes away. We have no wind today. I don't expect much wind at all, so it's going to be a drifting race. We'll just have fun.
I'm Bart. I sail number 777, and I just hope to maybe stay with the pack and beat a couple people today and have a lot of fun.
Jerry Franco.
No. I need the ones for
boat is
for him or for Scott.
I got Spring Lake, New Jersey.
And they're all hot. Because I've got 4 of them sitting at the dock where they don't belong.
I've been doing this for about 8 years.
I went home and I
probably
that thing.
maybe another 2.
Yeah, that thing is,
and then I'll be finished.
It's like 3 minutes.
What else do you need to know? Any questions for me?
It only takes 20 minutes to figure out.
What do you expect to happen today? What do you are you going to be
We were like Googling
first?
Like,
I'm going to kill
hell?
him.
How do you make this thing? Oh.
I'm going to name the boat Wet Work.
Rick. Hi, I'm Dave Ramus. We're at the Annapolis, technically Annapolis Regatta in Queenstown, Maryland. And my boat's 05. And today's breeze is going to be coming from the southwest, which is a little bit down the far shore. It's going to be light airs, but we've got a great group of people here, and it should be a lot of fun. It's going to be a good time.
Hello, I'm Drew. My boat's number 94, sailing EC12 today. Just out here to have fun and kick my buddy Tyler's ass. But other than that, it's going to be a beautiful day.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm sailing 167. It's an EC12. And that's kind of a joke. Yeah, he's not going to beat me. But today is just survival, so we'll see what happens.
Good morning, my name is Scott. I sail 1874, and it's supposed to be a glorious day today, light winds, and my goal today is to stay up with the national champions that we have in this region.
No, I'm just here, like I said, to visit and play with my buddies, get our toys out, and have a fun day sailing. No expectations, honestly. Like I say, hopefully we'll get a little air, and whatever happens, happens. But here for the enjoyment, not necessarily the competition. Good to be here.
Hi, I'm Bill. My boat number is 2019. Sailing an EC12 today, and just looking to have a great day with a bunch of good guys in the sun.
Good day, sports fans. I'm Brock Holiday, broadcasting from the Warrington Lane Pond in Queenstown, Maryland, for the Annapolis Regatta, as we see race 4 getting underway. These are great experienced skippers, and definitely number 405 has got to be the favorite in this race. But never count out number 05, Dave. The winds for today are predicted to be between 3 and 10 miles per hour. And we have 16 entries in this race. And 2 boats appear to be on a collision course. Number 94, Drew, gets T-boned by Roger. They were both on the starboard tack, and number 94, Drew, was downwind. Drew has been fouled, and great on Roger for doing his penalty turn. Look out! Another crash has just taken place. Number 56, Harry, is hit by number 88, Dom. Let's see, Harry was on port tack and Dom was on starboard. Let's see if we can tell if they do a penalty turn. It doesn't appear anybody has. Wow, I always like to see when people do penalty turns, when they do something wrong. They might not realize it at the time, but the people behind them would benefit if they would go ahead and do the turn.
Nice breeze working.
And that was a close one. Number 94 almost hit number 777, but they narrowly missed and continue on downwind as the leaders are heading back upwind. And are we seeing another collision? No, number 94 narrowly gets out of the way. As you can see, it is a gauntlet for the people at the back of the pack trying to get back down through the leaders. And look at that, number 405 is way out front as the race is about half over. In 94, Drew misses the mark, and now he'll have to go around to go back around the outside of the mark. As we see, Mahi gains a spot by passing Drew. Sometimes it's better to give yourself a little bit more room as you're rounding a mark, especially when nobody's right next to you trying to force you into the mark. Number 405 down the home stretch to the finish line. He is going to take first place. He is going to win it all. Number 405 wins race 4. Now let's see who's going to take second place. That was an easy win for him. I don't even see the second place boat. Oh, there he is. Number 25. Don is in second place, but he is way behind. And it looks like he's going to have a battle with number 1874, Scott G. There they go. Can Scott catch him as they battle right down to the finish line? There we go. It is Don. Don has the lead by 2 boat lengths, and he will take second place, followed by number 74, Scott G. And in fourth place, it looks like the blue boat with yellow polka dots of Jamie is going to take fourth. Who will take fifth? As we have 3 boats, any of them 4 boats. Let's see who gets the right track and the best winds come through. My bet is with number 05, Dave, and I am right. Dave takes 5th place, followed by number 1627, Tyler. And number 56, Harry, comes across in 7th place, followed by number 88. Dom takes 8th place. And number 35 comes across. Oh, we have a collision. We have a collision. Number 78, Scott, does take 10th, but number 1549, who was involved in that collision and was in the wrong, has to do a penalty turn and lets number 2178, Roger, take 11th as 1549 goes ahead and finishes 12th. That's good on you, Chris, for doing your penalty turn. And it only cost you 1 spot, but you did the right thing. I'm not sure if that was even called. And number 2019, Bill, takes 13th place. And coming across for 14th place, we see number 94 edging towards the line. The beautiful yellow and white boat of Drew takes 14th place. Now we're looking at 15th place, and here comes the famous boat Mahi, number 777. And Bart again has got to be disappointed in his performance. And Jerry is finished in place. Congratulations to our leaders. And don't forget to subscribe. Sail Wars needs you to subscribe so you do not miss any of these great videos. We now have over 100 videos. If you go to our YouTube homepage, we have plenty of playlists with all different classes of boats. Don't you miss a one of them.